Welcome back to another video on the non-categorized, damaged, repossessed Fiesta that we're currently working on. I'm just about to go and change the wing on it. The wing is here. It's not painted, but what we're going to do is we're going to just stick it on for now because I need to get the... Oh, my AirPods are starting to play. I need to go and put it on because I need to be able to open and close the door and it's driving me up the wall. I haven't got the paint yet, so I'm going to put it on. I'm just going to put it on loosely, I would say, and not bolt the inner bolt, so I can just take it back off because I do need to paint the inside. I did have a look over here to see if I had any silver paint just to blast the inside, because it doesn't really matter if the silver's slightly off on the inside because you're not going to see it. It's more covering the edges, but I haven't got any silver that would even replicate the silver on the Fiesta. But the seats are back in, as you saw in the last diary video, and now I've got the front seats in, which you haven't seen yet, so I'll show you that bit there. I'm going to go and do my best. As probably everybody knows in the UK, it's not stopped raining for weeks. I mean weeks. It's every day. I know it's nice and warm at the moment. Well, it's 12, it's going to be highs of 15, and it's Monday the 17th of May, but it hasn't stopped raining. And I've just come through the kitchen door and there's a massive big black cloud up there, so I'm going to do my best what I can this week. As I say, we've got to do the wing. I'm going to go, as I'm doing the wing, you'll see that I'm going to try and do the bumper because the bumper's quite pushed in. So I'll probably get the wheel off, possibly get the wheel off. Might be able to do that. I need to get the arch off just to get to the bolts underneath. It makes life a bit easier, but yeah. So you'll see me back over there in a minute. If it doesn't rain, we'll be fine. If it rains, obviously we're not going to be doing anything. So it'll be another day wasted, but there you go. Anyway, catch you in a minute. Well, I'll just take the wheel off. The hell? Yeah, right. DL. They're not too bad, really. Is it? You can never find what you want, even though I've got everything in its place. I want my trim tool remover. I'm going to spin around like a knob. Oh no. There we go. Oh, it just feels like it's going to piss down. Oh, clips. Oh, we've got loads of these, haven't we? So let's just... Is that going to come out? No. Right, there we go. Let's give that a bit of a wire brush under there if I can see. Hey. Those clouds don't look promising, do they? It's like there's some bonding agent. It's definitely a 10. I've done plenty of these, they should be a 10. Yeah, such bad I'll make. All the bloody time. Don't help I've had my COVID jab in the other arm. So that's aching like fuck. What is on that? So it looks like filler. I don't know what that is. It's very strange anyway. Am I being silly? There's definitely one there. There's normally one there. Oh yeah, it's bent in. Gonna get that up there. I love this shit design, ain't you? You gotta love this design. Apparently if you put a screwdriver behind there, you can get to the bolt. It'd be helpful if you could bloody see it, wouldn't it? Just to be annoying, it pissed down on me. I've got loads of brollies out, put half my stuff away. I'm having trouble getting the bolt from round there again. It's driving me up the wall. So rather than get frustrated on it, I've moved on down here. But you just can't see behind there, and every time you go up, down, you don't even know if you're hitting it or feeling it or what. I've got a small, changed my spanner for a smaller one. But yeah, Right, I'm going to try and get a 10mm in there because this is bent in. I'll come back to you after. I give up. It's starting to rain again. Yeah, I'm going to continue away from the rain. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, it's 2 days later. It never stopped raining, so I'm back on the wing. I've managed to get that bolt out that you saw in the last bit, so I'll show you that bit now. Surprisingly, the sun's out. The dog's having a chill. Right, that bolt under there. Let me show you. Oh, so it's just that. There's like a hook on it. So once you unbolt it, I don't think there's. I think it unhooks. It just sort of sits in there. The bolt doesn't come out. It's really, it's well hidden. So I've not screwed it up yet. For practicing. So where are we? Can't even see. So we're bolted up there. We are recording, aren't we? And I say we're not bolted there. We're bolted there. That's the headlight bracket, which would fit into that. And then we're just trying to line this up at the minute. So there's a bolt there. I'm just trying to work out this bracket was the bracket there, which you can see slightly bent, I think. Excuse the dog. So I think it's slightly bent up, so the wing is there, but when I go to line this up, so that hole goes in there and that one in there. If I push it really tight, it will line up. So I'm just going to screw it in now and see how tight I can get it. If not, I think, where are we? I can't see. Am I zoomed out here? I'm going to try and push it back down that way. We'll see how we get on. Let me put you on a camera stand. Right, hopefully you can see there. So I need to go and find the bolts. That would help, wouldn't it? It's down that much the other day. I just went in and left all the bloody bolts on the floor. A few of them washed away a bit. Not physically washed away, but washed away there. Hopefully you can see me. I've got you on a different mic, so hopefully you can hear me properly. Right, so what am I doing? Oh, let's go and get me ratchet. I'm mental. Sometimes you forget you got a tool that will make your job life easier. That's not tight enough, is it? There's a bit of a gap there, so let's try another one. What's that one now? No. Oh, there's no giving that, is there? Going to bend the bumper. Right. Definitely seems like it's mild out. Does that go behind? I mean, no, it can't go behind, can it? And that can't go that far back. So we've got a bit of a bend there. Haha! I knew that was going to happen. It's not the first time that's happened. Yeah, that'll do. Good purpose. Right, we're on. I'm just running the engine because the battery was going a bit flat. I just keep opening and closing the doors, and I've turned all the lights off now. So we got a smallish gapper, so I did that scratch, but it's lined up fine. I still got to put a bolt on the inside. Ignore the vibrations because the arch is not in. But the gap's alright. Obviously I've still got to pin that up, so that would be out more, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going to take the wing back off and bend that in the bin, because these pattern parts always do that. If you ever get a Fiesta and see that little bit sticking out, you'll know it's a pattern part. As it on my old Fiesta. Yeah, nice to know someone's changed them recently. And also, while the discs off, wheels off, sorry, I'm going to do the disc. Not change the disc, I'm going to put a wire wheel on it. Yeah, I think it fits. Right, so that's the easy part. The worst part is the dents. So it would appear someone jumped on this, because I've just found a dent on the roof that I have tried pushing out. So you can see one here, and I know there's a dent there because I can feel it flexing. That means the metal's relaxed. It's only there. I reckon they just jumped up, jumped there and then jumped back off. There's no other dents. It's a bit annoying, but it's not visible really. I only just noticed it, and I've had the car ages. There's a bit of a crease. I might do some PDR on it. I'm not the best at PDR, but I might have a bash at it. But the worst of the dents are on the bonnet. I'm hoping you can see that. So you got one here. So you got a lower and a higher. And this is our good telltale sign that the bonnet has got dents in it. Look at this. So the metal's relaxed. So it needs to be stretched to get that tautness out. If you come over here, like that's how it should feel. Nice and taut. Not that. It needs to go down. So what you really could do with is a spot gun, and if you put a spot on it, it will tighten the metal and pull it back in. There's some highs, lows. I suppose it's easy to get a new bonnet, I think. Just noticed one of those crappy bulbs is out. Oh no, of course it's out, isn't it? I've just put the light back in, I've not reconnected it. Someone's put some blue lights in it. But you can get a gist of the... See it shaking. Either I try and get a bonnet in colour, or just get a pattern bonnet and paint it. Or I could also sell it as it is and just say there's some dents in the bonnet. And there's a dent in the roof, you can see it more here. Let's see. Well, we've got to paint. Look at that. Looks like a mouse has been on there. I've got to paint that anyway. Got to paint that, paint that. Look at these bloody clouds. Sweating over that side. 15 degrees and it's really sunny. Look, now the sun's come back out. So I've got to do that mark. Where is it? There and there. And then them bits there and there. Anyway, I'll come back to you when I've done something else.